So we're just finishing up the paint protection film on this new C8 hardtop convertible. We did the front clip, so the entire front end we did with 3M paint protection film. Their new awesome film. It's got a ceramic coating on it, quote unquote. And whenever we're done with that, we're gonna ceramic coat the rest of it with Ceramic Pro Silver Package, 2 layers. So check it out.
Hi.
Today we got a 2021 Toyota Tacoma from our friends at CB Adventure Supply. Pretty cool truck. We're going to do some ceramic window tint on the sides, and then on the windshield we're going to do crystalline and also a visor strip. Check out the truck, it's pretty cool.
You are going to have dinosaurs in your dinosaur park, aren't you?
We got a 2021 Toyota Tacoma